Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Obsessed. Hi, I am Sweta, and if you are watching me for the first time, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. In this video, I'm going to create this look to show you a tutorial for this year Rakshabandhan. So please keep on watching, watch till the end, and if you recreate this look, then do not forget to tag me on those posts. So now let's get started. One more thing, this makeup look you can create for any kind of festival because I am creating something which is very subtle yet very festive kind of a makeup look, and I'm going to use everything very pocket friendly. Like every product is going to be a drugstore product and it's going to be under budget. And I'm going to put all the product details on the screen or on voiceover. So watch till the end, and yeah, follow me on Instagram if you don't already. So now let's get started.
So I'm starting up with the Argan toner from Good Vibes, and it's very nourishing. So now I'm applying Pond's gel as I am going to apply oil primer. So I am taking the base moisturizer, very light something. And the next I'm going to apply a bit of lip balm on my lips. You can use any. Now I'm going to apply oil primer by Glam Aroma because I have really dry skin and I have done very less amount of skincare before, so it is a very good primer to go with. Now I'm going to color correct my face with this stick by NYB, and it is very affordable and pigmented as well. So I'm going to apply it on my dark circles, on my dark patches, all over my face. So I'm going to apply it on my mouth area, cheeks and under eye as well. Now I'm going to quickly blend it with my finger. You can use brush, blender, anything. Now I'm going to apply concealer from NYB once again. So if you have anything else that suits you perfectly, you can go with that. And I'm going to cover the corrector up and going to blend it very well with a flat brush. Now I'm going to set my concealer with the help of compact powder. You can use loose powder, translucent powder, anything that you wish. I am using this pencil by Miss Claire for my eyebrows, and I'm not going to overgroom it or make it like very eyebrows on flick wala something. I'm just going to fill up my sparse gaps and I'm going to give it a little bit of shape, and that's all. So now I'm going to pick up my eyeshadow palette by Beauty People, and it's the blowout palette. I'm going to take the brown shade for my eyebrows first, and I'm going to fill up the front of my eyebrows very light-handedly with the brown shade first. Now I'm going to pick up the same brown shade with a fluffy brush and apply on my crease line to curve it out. Now I'm going to apply a peachy orangey sort of a color on the outer corner of my eyelids and going to blend it out with a fluffy brush really well. So now I'm going to pick up a shimmer shade which is rose gold, but it has a bit of warm tint which actually looks very good with the peachy orange sort of a color that I have applied on my outer corner, and I'm going to take the same color and blend it out. Now I'm going to take the same brush with same color and going to drag the outer corner to my lower waterline. Now I'm going to create a wing liner. And then I'm going to apply mascara, and this mascara is amazing. Now I'm taking the same shimmer with a flat brush and applying it on my inner waterline and outer waterline as well, and leaving the middle blank. Now I am coming back to my face and applying Nykaa BB cream, and I am going to apply it all over my face and going to blend it with a flat brush. You can use beauty blender as well, and I'm going to mention the shade on the screen for sure. I need a very light sort of a makeup, so I'm applying this. You can apply foundation, CC cream, whatever you wish to. So I am applying a light shaded foundation on my neck to just match the color with my face, as because my neck is way more darker than my face. You can skip this step and apply the same foundation or BB cream that you are applying on your face. So now I'm going to apply the powder contour by Sugar and going to bronze up my face a little bit because I don't want that chiseled contour look. So I'm going to do this with very light hands. Now I'm going to apply a very little bit of a compact all over my face and neck, and now applying the blush by Moda Cosmetics to give it a like blushy look, and applying the highlighter to make it look very fresh and shiny. Now I'm going to apply this shade from Stay Quirky. I'm going to mention the shade name on the screen, and it is a brilliant and perfect shade for every Indian skin tone. And now I'm finishing off this look with a silver finger ring and earring as well, and wearing a dupatta to complement the look. So whoa, now let's see the final look.
Guys, this was my today's video. I hope you like it. If you did, do not forget to turn the thumbs up view and comment down below how was the look, if you liked it or not, and do not forget to share this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So I will come up with another amazing video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.